Hello friends, welcome to our channel Visit Numbers. Today we are going to learn how to use Vlookup function in Excel. First of all, I'll be telling you what is Vlookup in Excel. If you have a table of data and you want Excel to look up a certain value and return a corresponding value in different row, for that you need to use lookup function. Vlookup function is best suited for situations when you are looking for a matching data point in a column, and when the matching data point is found, you go to the right in that row and fetch a value from a cell which is a specified number of columns to that right. According to Excel's formula description, Vlookup looks for a value in the leftmost column of a table and then it returns a value in the same row from a column you specify. So let's start to the formula of the Vlookup function is equal to. Every formula in Excel starts with is equal to. Just type Vlookup. Here formula showing up over here. Just tab it. Formula will automatically open up. Here it gives some input arguments. Lookup value. This is the lookup value you are trying to find in the leftmost column of a table. Table array. This is the table array in which you are looking for that value. Next one is column index. This is the column index number from which you want to fetch the matching value. Range lookup. Here you specify whether you want an exact match or an approximate match. In lookup, match could be exact or approximate. If the lookup function can't find the value, it returns the largest value which is less than the lookup value. The Vlookup example below. I have a list with student names in the leftmost column and marks in different subjects in another columns. So here is the Vlookup function that will return Joseph's score in English. So let's start to the formula. Double quotation mark, type Joseph, close the double quotation mark, comma in between them, select the table array. From D8 to S13, comma in between them, select 4 because English column is at 4th position, comma 0, close the bracket. Here Joseph, this is the lookup value. D8 to S13 is the range of cells in which we are looking. 4 is indicate we are looking for the score from the 4th column of specified array, and 0, this tells the Vlookup function to only look for exact matches. Then press and enter. We get the answer as 52 because Joseph has 52 score in English. So that's why we get the answer as 52. So you can use the same formula to construct to get anyone's marks in any of the subject. For example, to find Sneha's marks in math, use the Vlookup function. So let's start to the formula. is equal to, type Vlookup, you just tab it, formula will automatically open up in double quotation mark, type Sneha, close the double quotation mark, comma in between them, select the whole columns, the 8 to H13, comma in between them, 5 because math column is 5th, 0, then close the bracket, press enter. We get the answer as 66 because Sneha has the score 66 in math subject. That's why we get the answer as 66. So this is the VLOOKUP function in Excel. This is very simple to use and this is very important in Excel. So please do watch my videos on YouTube. Please do subscribe our channel VJ Tech Numbers. Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe and share my channel VJ Technobus.